bold green masala, quick tawa fry, this pomfret recipe brings restaurant vibes to your kitchen.